Welcome back. So today we're going to make pulled pork with a pork butt. We're going to put in a smoker, probably about 6 hours, shred it up, and have sandwiches. So since the pork is all seasoned, the smoker, I'll probably want about 275. It's about 250. You can see it. So we'll probably go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a few hours when it's ready. So now go ahead and pat your seasoning in. I use no binding, just straight season. Just like that. Pat it in. Just set it like that until the smoker gets up to temperature, then we'll put it on the smoker. I like my smoker about 250 degrees before I put it on. So we got a few more minutes till it's up to temperature yet. So go ahead and open it up. So there she is in the smoker. So in probably about 4 hours we'll check the temperature, see what it's like. If it's 205 degrees, 220 degrees, we'll pull it out, wrap it for about an hour, then we'll shred it up. So we already lost 100 degrees by just a little bit of time. We had the door open. So it's key when you're smoking, you do not open the smoker up unless you have to, because you will lose your temperature quick. So stay tuned till it's done. Alright, so it's been about 3 to 4 hours. Let's go ahead and check the temperature of it. Looks good in there. So we're looking for about 200 degrees. I don't think we're going to get it. So 170-ish. Yeah, not done yet. So we'll give another hour, about another hour or so. Give another hour or so and we'll check it again. Alright, so we're back about 2 hours later. Let's check it out. think it's going to be good. Yeah, 170-ish. Yeah, still got a little bit to go yet. So probably another hour maybe. So we'll check in another hour or so and see where we're at. Stay tuned. So the pork butt is up to temp. So we're gonna have to pull it out, wrap it, let it sit for 1 hour. So there's the pork butt. We're gonna grab it, put it there. Now we're going to let it sit for 1 hour. When we let it wrap, the temperature will still keep coming up and make it easier to pull. Yeah, the boys are there eating their dinner. As I said, I'm going to wrap it. Let it sit for 1 hour and it'll be good to go. Alright, the pork's been in the oven, wrapped up for over an hour. I do not have the oven turned on, I just have it sitting in there. The heat wrapped in the foil will actually keep cooking, so you don't need to worry about turning the oven on. Now the meat is hot, so I would highly recommend using gloves. My wife bought me these gloves to try out. So all you want to do is just go in there, start ripping at it. You want a nice release from the bone just like that. Came out, bone nice and clean, so you know it's done. Now basically just want to start shredding it up. That's why gloves makes it nice and easy. Got these claw things. It makes it really nice shredding it. So always got to do a taste sample. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Not the best quality pork roast or pork butt, I guess, but a lot of fat in it. And that's all it is to it. So go ahead and we'll wrap it up, let it warm up, keep it warm. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button. Any more recipes you want me to try, go ahead and leave a comment on the video and I'll do my best at making them. Thank you. Have a good day.